What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kids. We're back for another video. Still in Ontario Mills Mall. We got people making ass out of themselves in the back. But yeah, we are here at Ontario Mills. Got a bunch of sneaker shops. Let's go see what's up. And these are the kids that were being super loud behind me. What is what it is? But yeah, listen. Oh, I don't care. She's texting, sorry. Whatever, I don't care. But yeah, we do have a Footlocker. Let's go see what's up at Footlocker. See what they got there. This is one of the huge Footlockers. I don't know what their selection is. Ooh, they got Grinches? Not really. Kind of, sort of, but wait, not really. What? I know they move a ton of stuff here, but look at that, 60 freaking dollars. They move a ton of stuff, so like, stuff gotta go. Stuff gotta go quick sometimes. I know they don't have my size here. I still gotta check though, but I know they're not gonna have my size. But man, damn, if they do, that's a steal. There's no way. The store is so huge. Ton of workers, but you gotta find someone because it's so freaking huge. All right, let's see if they got my size. I already know 99% times, or 99% chance I'm gonna say no. Do you know if they have this in my size? I doubt it. All right, last size, 7.5. I don't think I got that on video. But yeah, last size. This is it. This is the last size. God dang it. Do got these on sale. I don't really rock pink that much. I have a sweatshirt that'll match this, but yeah, I don't know about that. Also got these go for regular price. This is the 151, and I think this is the 161, right? Yeah, because this one just came out, 25th anniversary one. Do got pumps. Do got the pumps. I freaking love the pumps. I love the pumps. I do. Got this one as well. If this was on sale, man, can y'all throw this on sale, please? Because I got the other one on sale. Damn, dude. Damn. And then also got the Shacknosis Dame collab going for 90 bucks. Still too much for me. Damn, these have gone down that much. They still can't get rid of the Kawhi ones. Wow. 1080s? Oh shoot. This is 1080 V11s? Wow. These New Balance fans are big time runners. Wow. This is cheaper than the New Balance outlet because they even had them for, I think, they had the V10s for $120. The V11s were regular price last time. Wow, that's crazy. Normally do go for 150. And yeah, that's regular price for those. Tons of Vans on sale. I covered all of them in my panorama video. Prices are pretty similar. I don't think they had this one. This is one I didn't see.
Yeah, a little bit.
But pretty much the same stuff. So let's keep it moving. Do got a family member that works for the post office. Like, I'm like, this is freaking dope, dude. Kind of cheesy for me, but this is dope. Like, I think he's gonna like it. So I'm gonna grab this for him. All right, we are back to the sneakers. Club C's go for 40. Damn, these are clean too. They usually use really good leather for the Club C's. All right, let me free my hand. Oh yeah, see, look at that. Look at that. Normally $80. That's dope, dude. That's dope. 3 different colorways of the 990s. Which is this? A V990 V5s. Okay. Okay, these will go for 185 now. New Balance fans love those. Slides, and Mo slides, 15 bucks. Yeah, they're like the ones we've seen at some of the other Footlockers on sale. All the Victory slides. They do use the soft foam, which is pretty decent. Speaking of slides, I don't know why I'm addicted to all the freaking slides. I have like so many at home. All right, let's keep them moving. Yeah, stay away from the slides. $10 section, look at this. A Champion hoodie for freaking 10 bucks. Man, these are normal at $70. This is a double XL though. Dang it. That'd be good for my kid, man. Look at that. Bunch of controllers. That's pretty dope. The All City t-shirts. Black ones, white ones. Lakers shirt. Ooh, Lakers shirts for $10. There's a small Nike Lakers shirts for $10. They're all smalls, but wow. Normally $35. Then more of these All City hoodies. I think I bought mine for 70% off, and it came out to $24. It's going for $30 here. These are pretty dope. This one is pretty dope. This is $50 though. Okay. And then do got these. These are pretty dope. $100. This is a Pro Standard. All the Pro Standard stuff, super fire. Just tends to be expensive as balls. Like this, my brother-in-law would love this. But $2 bills. Damn, dude. This is a large. He wears a medium. That is fire, dude. Got a Lakers one too. These are going for $2 bills. I actually think the color blocking on this one actually looks better. Lakers one's dope, but I think the Knicks one, they did better, dude. Like that one has one. That one has one emblem. Like, do you need three? Like, do you really need three? Like this one's fire. What the hell? All right. Yeah. So, yeah, that's fine. They do got releases. They got the 11s on the other side over there. The 11 lows. Oh, almost forgot to use a survey coupon. Did. So yeah, 60 down to 50. 50 plus tax. All right, let's go. Let's go. Already won today so far. So now it's all icing now, man. Let's go. Heading into champs now. This is one of the bigger champs. Let's see what they got. See what they got. Damn, this place is a zoo as well. That's the Jordan section right here. No retros here because none of these quote-unquote outlet stores, they call them outlet stores. They're not really outlet stores, but they call them outlet stores, so they don't get any of the releases. The couple of the J's that they did have at Footlocker were returns. So that's the Jordan section. That's it. Do got a couple of those pumps that we just saw. Diodor's kind of the only thing on sale, yo. The 9002s, the N9002s, Mavericks right here. We've seen really good deals on all these at a lot of the Foot Lockers lately. More 9002s right there, and then these are 9002s as well. Okay. This one, not a bad colorway. It does have some suede on it. Not too shabby, dude. We've seen these Gazelles on sale. Man, the leather on them is extra nice. Not good for wide footers like me, but man, look at that suede right there. So nice. And this Adidas as well. These Forum lows. Man, look, the leather right here is really nice too. Like, this is one of the better ones. I hope this one goes on sale. So don't go out and buy it, because if it goes on sale, I might grab one. So don't buy these. These are ugly. All right, I think that's about it. All right, on to the next one. Shoe Palace. Let's see what they got. This spot actually has Jordans. Okay. Maybe they get restocks. I know that the one in Camarillo does not get Jordan retros. So, okay, that's kind of interesting. Okay. And they're not returns because they got multiple. They got lows. Then they also got the 7s that nobody likes. The material is ridiculous on these. Color, I'm definitely not feeling. You can see the better color right there. Then got multiple of those as well. Also center courts, $135. That just seems like a lot for these. And then still got these. I don't know how there were only 1,200 of these made, because there's still a ton. Is it 1,200 per size? I don't know. But the quality amazing on these, $95. Matches your Lakers gear. This is dope. Lego Adidas Boost, $130, normally $180. Okay, that red really pops. Wow. Pops more on the camera than in person. 2021s go for $100. Okay. $120 for these. Okay. Women's section, these go for $90, so $10 cheaper than the guys. And then Superstars go for $50. We also saw these at the one in Van Nuys right here, go for $40. Got Vans, $40. $40, old schools. Y'all need a rattlesnake on your shoe, $50 for these. Suede up front, okay. 40, the suede on these, nice. We talked about it. Women's section do got mids. Air Max 97s going for $175. And look, these on sale for $120. Okay, wow. Shoe Palace be releasing stuff hella early sometimes. Air More Tempo 96s. Never seen this olive colorway here. I've never seen this. Damn, these are dope, dude. These are dope. I'm not a fan of this olive colorway, but yeah, the nubuck and stuff. Okay. Got some trainers I've never seen. This is freaking huge. I like, kind of like those laces right there. $150 for these. I've never seen these. Then Air Max 90s. Do got some Air Max 90s that I've never seen before as well. $130 for these. Okay. Nice to see some new stuff. Didn't they have a collab with somebody on these 5740s? Okay, $50. $50, not bad. Got the dad look for sure. Maroon one, $50 as well. Yeah, that's totally the dad look. Okay. I guess all of them are on sale. Damn, $70 for these. Okay, dude. Well, they're here. I like the material on them. I love the material on those. Damn, the malls have been pretty dead, but today, this weekend, man, malls are definitely alive. All right, next one. I think this is the last regular sneaker shop here. Do got a Finishline. Used to have a Chic, like, but that closed years and years ago. All right, let's go see what's up with this Finishline. They don't get any releases, so see if we can find some. We've seen these at a few spots now, man. These are wild, dude. These are wild. Definitely not paying 50 bucks retail for them. We've seen them for $20 lately. Seen the Trae Youngs on sale recently. Also seen these on sale at JD. Dude got multiple colorways of the Kyries. Haven't been seeing that at too many spots. I think I forgot to show them at the Footlocker. Footlocker had 6 different colorways. Dude got to these bad boys. $160 for those. $150. Saw these out. Where the hell did we see these? We saw these at one of the JDs. Dude got the cereal pack. Lucky Charms Crocs right here. Didn't these sell out? I know the Cinnamon Toast Crunch ones did. Okay. I think the Cinnamon Toast Crunch one colorway was a little better. And I got those for retail. Flight Lights on sale. That's the first time I've ever seen these on sale. That's pretty dope. Pro Leathers, man, the OGs right here, 75 bucks. And these look dope, dude. These look dope. Very similar to the Blazers because it's around the same time. Last chance section, you know I gotta check this out. See some interesting, or at least one interesting. Because the T-Max, we've never seen one for this low. This is a size 12, 70 bucks. We've seen them on sale for like 79 or 99. I don't know. We've seen them for cheaper, but not 79 ever. So that's a hell of a price. It won't even fit in there because they're so big. And then also got these. But yeah, that's not that great of a price though, man. Got some Asics Cumulus for you Asics fans out there. Got a few different sizes. Not the greatest discount though. I think that's about it. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. All right, crowds are still crazy. That's about the only craziness we've seen so far. I guess I did come up, so that's a pretty decent deal. So yeah, I guess no complaints, you guys. No complaints. All right, let's wrap it up. Damn, when I needed suits, I should have hit this place up. Hugo Boss. Most of their suits are over $1,000. Damn, they got ones for $400 here. Damn, I should have checked them out. Dope. They got some high-end stuff. I never really noticed that. Saks Fifth Ave, the off fifth right there. You can try to win a Tesla if you want 5,000 phone calls from marketers. Because y'all do know that they sell all that information to whoever. That's how they make their money off of that. Swarovski outlet. Okay, they got some high-end spots. Never really noticed. I always just go after sneakers every time I come here. All right, guys, not bad. They have a lot of shops there. They really do. It's interesting because it seems like a lot of the high volume stores, the ones that do like have a lot of sales, they seem to have a lot more sales than the low volume stores right now. Kind of interesting how that works. I did grab these, you guys. This is kind of a cool box. It totally looks like the USPS priority boxes. I thought I showed these, apparently I did not. Man, it doesn't get more USPS than this, you guys, man. It says priority mail, has the USPS logo everywhere. Grabbed it for $60. I think these retail for like $100 or something like that. I do have a family friend that does work for the post office, so I just grabbed them. I did. Leather, super nice. Kind of blown out, huh? Super nice. Man, the materials on this really nice. Leather right here, canvas on the sides. Does have leather in the back right here. But yeah, super nice. I don't even know if my fan friend's gonna wear this, but I think they would enjoy it. I think they'll enjoy it. I don't know. I did the box more than anything. But yeah, I did grab those. Gonna give that to my friend, but yeah, not bad, you guys. I do foresee more sales coming up. I know this mall is packed, but when I've gone to other malls, like especially during the week and stuff, most of the malls have been dead. So you know, the sneaker game is changing. We're seeing a lot more stuff readily available, a lot of Jordans and stuff like that. You know, it's gonna be interesting. Definitely gonna be interesting. I really think in a month or two, in a couple months, there's gonna be tons and tons of sales out there. So might be a good time for us collectors. Yeah, but we'll see. But yeah, I got plenty of videos coming. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, guys. Definitely appreciate y'all. Make sure you help out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Go press that subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Got plenty coming. And yeah, see you guys next one.
Peace.